Barney and BJ go to the zoo. BJ is very excited today. Barney is taking him to the zoo to see lots of different animals. One of the zookeepers greets them with a smile. "Welcome, Barney." "Hi, BJ. It's good to see you again," says the zookeeper. BJ wants to see the lions first. As one roars loudly, Barney exclaims,
"No wonder the lion is called the king of the jungle."
"If I could climb like a monkey," says BJ, "I'd climb up to my treehouse really fast."
"These pink flamingos are beautiful,"
says Barney. "Zoos have lots of animals from all around the world," says the zookeeper proudly. "Aren't those rhinos cool?" asks BJ.
"They sure are,"
answers Barney.
"Come on, I'll show you some animals with stripes."
BJ is confused when he sees the zebras. Scratching his head, he asks, "Barney, is a zebra a white horse with black stripes or a black horse with white stripes?"
"That's a good question,"
Barney exclaims.
"Zookeepers help keep the animals and their homes clean,"
Barney explains.
"Elephants usually give themselves a shower with their long trunks. But today, a zookeeper is bathing the elephant."
"Where's his rubber ducky?" jokes BJ.
"Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world,"
explains Barney. "Ay, ay, ay," shouts BJ. "They could look right into my treehouse window."
"Those bears are having lots of fun,"
says Barney. "I wonder if all that climbing makes them as hungry as I am," exclaims BJ as he rubs his tummy.
"That hippopotamus eats almost as much as you do, BJ,"
chuckles Barney. "Ah, I'm not hungry all the time," answers BJ, "but I will be ready for a snack pretty soon."
"Sounds like it's time for some popcorn,"
laughs Barney. "Lions and monkeys and bears and popcorn," says BJ. "I love to visit the zoo."